The road. It's more than asphalt and paint. It's a place of rhythm, of heartbeat and motion, where every mile whispers the stories of power, precision, and progress. But what if the machines we drive could think with us? What if your car wasn't just a vehicle, but an extension of you? Tonight, we unlock a world where steel meets intelligence, where every button, every beam of light, and every hum of electricity takes your journey beyond imagination. Welcome to the future of driving. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru. The Nexar Beam. Eyes that never blink. Accidents happen in an instant. But memory, the truth, is what saves you. The Nexar Beam Dash Cam captures every frame in razor-sharp full HD clarity. Its 135-degree lens sweeping across your view like a vigilant guard. Rain, sunlight, or city glare. It adjusts to every light. And while it watches, it remembers, storing your journeys securely in the Nexar cloud. If an accident happens, evidence is just one tap away. And when you can't find your car in a crowded lot, it can. A compact guardian that never sleeps. The intelligent 5-port charger. Power for every passenger. Long drives often come with a familiar battle. Who gets the charger? This little powerhouse ends the debate. With intelligent recognition tech, it senses every connected device and delivers the fastest charge possible. 5 ports. One sleek hub. Front or back seat, everyone stays charged, fast, safe, and tangle-free. Because on the open road, no one should run out of energy. The Bi-Directional Home Charger. Power reversed. Imagine this, your car not only charges from your home, but powers it. This futuristic charger does just that. Through cutting-edge bi-directional technology, it shares energy between your car and your house. Turn off the lights in one room, and your car takes the excess power. A silent, intelligent exchange between two machines built to serve each other. It's not just convenient, it's revolutionary. The LED Ashtray, where elegance meets glow. Even the smallest details can transform your space. This ashtray doubles as art, sturdy, refined, and luminous. Lift the lid, and a soft LED glow fills the interior like moonlight on chrome. It fits any cup holder, blocks unwanted smells, and looks simply mesmerizing. A quiet reminder that design and function can share the same flame. The smart wireless holder, touchless precision. Place your phone near it, and it opens like wings. This isn't just a holder, it's a guardian of focus. A built-in chip locks your phone in place, charges it wirelessly, and keeps your eyes on the road. With 360-degree adjustability and a glassy modern surface, it's both art and engineering in motion. The future of safe driving fits right in your vent. The engine start cover, a hero's touch. Every ignition tells a story. Now, you can start yours with a symbol of power. Iron Man, Transformers, or Decepticon. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this rotatable cover protects your start button and adds cinematic flair to your dashboard. It's style, it's safety, it's character. A reminder that even in metal and motion, there's room for imagination. The LED wheel. Caps, light that moves. When the night falls, let your wheels tell your story. These LED caps need no batteries. The motion of your drive powers their brilliance. At 15 miles per hour, they begin to glow. At 80, they stand steady and fierce. Waterproof, dustproof, unshakable, a hypnotic circle of light that turns every road into your personal runway. Style, powered by motion. The door projector. Lights, safety with a show. Open your car door and the ground below comes alive, glowing with your chosen emblem. These projector lights not only look stunning, they protect you, alerting nearby drivers and lighting your step. No drilling, no wiring, just peel, stick, and let the light perform. Transformers, stars, your logo of choice. Each symbol, a reflection of your identity, shining every time you open the door. The ceiling dome, light, mood in motion. Factory, dome lights are dull. This one, pure ambiance. Stick it to the roof, tap the button, and switch between warm, cool, or mixed tones. Rechargeable and elegant, it gives your car interior a soul. The kind that glows softly as the world races past outside. The Bluetooth streamer, music reimagined. a small button, a ring of light. This gadget connects your phone to your car speakers instantly. No tangled wires, no distractions, just seamless sound. Answer calls, play music, or summon your voice assistant with a single tap. And for audiophiles, an upgraded version adds bass boost, USB-C quick charge, and crystal clear Bluetooth 5.0. Because silence on the road? That's not an option. The tire pressure. Guardian, every breath counts. Tires speak, but few listen. This smart monitoring system translates their whispers. Tiny sensors relay real-time data to your dashboard. Temperature, pressure, and alerts for every tire. Solar-powered, rechargeable, and armed with 5 alarm modes, it ensures your wheels are always road-ready. One glance, and you know your car's heartbeat. The portable battery reviver, power from the dead. A car that won't start, the nightmare of any driver. But this compact charger brings life back to the lifeless. It diagnoses, repairs, and revives drained batteries, automatically adjusting to any voltage or temperature. From lithium to AGM, it adapts like a pro. Compact, smart, and unshakably reliable. The quiet hero that never leaves you stranded. The headrest entertainment system. Cinema on the road. Why should the back seat be boring? These 9-inch monitors turn every drive into a private movie theater. Play from USB, HDMI, or even old-school DVDs. Built-in speakers, wireless control, and a sleek leather cover. This isn't just a screen, it's escape, comfort, and entertainment. All while the miles roll by. The compact tire. Inflator, your emergency lifeline. Flat tire. Empty road. Midnight silence. You open the trunk, and there it is. A small device ready to rescue. Plug it in, set your PSI, and watch the digital screen rise to life. It inflates, it lights the dark with its flashlight, and it fits neatly back into its own case. Because true freedom means never depending on luck. The Smart Car Vacuum, clean power in your palm. Dust hides in corners where hands can't reach. But this compact beast finds them all. Armed with a turbo motor and dual filtration, it devours every crumb and speck in seconds. Wireless, lightweight, and whisper quiet, it slips between seats like a precision tool of order. Recharge it once, and it runs for hours. Loyal, tireless, unstoppable. Because a clean car isn't just comfort, it's control. Every detail matters, even the ones unseen. Technology doesn't just change what we drive, it changes how we feel when we drive. From the glow of a wheel to the hum of a charger, each of these inventions adds a pulse to your journey. They remind us that innovation isn't just about machines, it's about connection, between driver and road, between human and creation. So next time you start your engine, remember, you're not just driving forward, you're driving into the future. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru.